Salem, hi! Today I want to continue our topic personal pronouns in Kazakh language. In the previous videos I explained about men, I and biz, we. I explained about how to use these personal pronouns and what kind of endings there are for men and biz and the difference between these personal pronoun endings. And today I want to talk about next personal pronouns is sen, you. Probably most of you know that in Kazakh language we have two kind of personal pronouns. To say you in Kazakh language you can use informal way or formal way. Formal way siz, informal way sen. Today I will talk about informal way sen in Kazakh language. Sen, informal way. So, informal way sen has two kind of personal pronoun endings, sung and sing. If you want, for example, if you want to say you are a teacher, you are a child, you are beautiful, etc., you need to add one of these endings to the object of the sentence. For example, you are a child, object of the sentence, child. You need to add one of these ending to the word child, okay? I will give you more explanation. The difference between two ending sung and sing is that one of them is hard and one of them is soft. If the word ends with soft vowel, you need to choose soft ending sing. If the word ends with hard vowel, you need to choose hard vowel ending sung. Sing and sung. And there are several examples. Yeah. For example, how to say you are beautiful in Kazakh language. You, sen, beautiful. Әдемі plus personal pronoun ending sing. Sen әдемісің. In this case, I added a soft personal pronoun ending sing. Why? Because in the word әдемі, the last vowel is soft. So that's why I added the personal pronoun ending sing, soft one. Next sentence is sen жассың, you are young. Sen, you, жас, young, plus personal pronoun ending sың. Sen жассың, you are young. In this case, I added personal pronoun sung, hard one, because the last vowel in the word жас, a, is hard. That's why we added sung, hard. Okay? Sen жассың, you are young. So that's it. About sen I finished, and the next video will be about siz, formal way of you, and I hope you liked this my video, and see you next time. Sağ ol, bye.